the future, the vehicle factory will be empty, but methodical. In the future, all vehicles will pass through a series of intelligent test systems. In the future, all floors are clear. Collaboration with high-precision robots. All parts are tightly fitted. In the future, 5G will enable factories to interconnect everything under control. Every vehicle will be given a soul. In the future, fuel, electric and hybrid models can be produced at the same time. In the future, factories will aim for carbon neutrality and achieve energy. Now is the future. This is Geely Auto Intelligent Factory.